Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to prepare kebabs. If you are new here, kindly don't forget to hit the subscription button, and if you are my returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Kindly don't forget to like, comment and share my link to your friends. The ingredients are cooking flour, minced meat, 3 eggs, onions, paprika, turmeric and salt, not paprika, turmeric, coriander leaves. So first I start by adding my cooking oil in a frying pan. Allow it to heat for some time. Then I'm going to add my onions. After adding the onions, I'll heat it till it turns golden brown. Allow the onions to turn golden brown. After it has turned to golden brown, now I'm going to add turmeric and salt. After adding, I'll mix turmeric, salt together with the onion. Then I'll pour it in my minced meat. Add my coriander leaves. I'll mix it well. Ensure that your hands are clean. Mine are clean. After mixing, I'll add my cooking flour. Then mix it. The cooking flour will allow it to be sticky. After adding, I'll mold it. I'll mold it in that shape of kebab, yeah. Repeat the steps till you have done molding it. You're going to repeat the step till you are done molding. Now I'm done. So I'll start by mixing it with my cooking flour. Mix it well with the cooking flour. After mixing with the cooking flour, now I'm going to spread my egg. Yeah, I'm going to spread it on the egg. I was looking for a plate where I will put the kebabs after spreading it on my egg. Yeah. So I'm going to spread it well. One by one, I'm going to spread it well. After spreading it, I'll put it on another plate. Repeat the step with the remaining. So here I'm going to place it in a medium heat. Allow it to cook for some time. has cooked, we are going to turn it to allow the other side of it to cook too. Don't cook it for a long time, because we are going to repeat the step. Yani usiache ive sana, because we are going to repeat that same step. But this time around, we are not going to dip it on a cooking flour. We are going to dip in the egg, mix it well. So this one we are going to repeat it for, let me say this is the second time, then the third time we are going to dip it on the egg too before we serve it. Now we are going to allow it to cook. Ensure that your heat is moderate for it to cook well. Ukiweka moto mingi haitaiva. To just turn the color, lakini ndani yake haitaiva. Now my kebabs are almost done. Sasa after zimeiva nitazitoa moja moja. Yani naweza toa moja ama mbili, yani penye kijiko itakubali kubeba. Repeat the same step with the remaining kebabs, with the remaining uncooked kebabs. Yeah. Tarudia the same step. Now my kebabs are ready. So you can serve it with any drink, be it tea, soda, juice, anything that you prefer.